Hey guys, today we are still working in our Wild Crossing Time for Kids. So open it up. We are going to be reading an article from page 2. It's a quickie. Should not take very long at all, but it is important nonetheless. So here we go. Hey guys, today we are still working in our Wild Crossing TFK and we're going to read an article on page 2 entitled Celebrating Kids. So here we go. On February 24th, Time for Kids and Nickelodeon announced the first ever Kid of the Year television special. The hour-long show will air on Nickelodeon and CBS in December. It will feature 5 outstanding young leaders who are making a positive difference in their community. One of them will be named Time Kid of the Year. Trevor Noah will be the show's host. He is a comedian and author. Noah says the TV special celebrates, quote, celebrates everything that makes young people amazing and gives them a platform to have their voices heard. Do you know someone who should be Times Kid of the Year? We'll be asking readers for their nominations soon. Keep an eye out for details in an upcoming issue. So, little background here. The host of the show, Trevor Noah, wrote the book Born a Crime, which is an autobiography, um, which was available in our book fair that we had about a month ago now. And let's talk a little bit about this word platform down here that's in his quote. It says that special will celebrate everything that makes young people amazing and gives them a platform to have their voices heard. So, literally, a platform is something that people stand up on when they're making a speech, a lot of times so that they can project more loudly and they can be heard better. So, a figurative platform means that it gives people a way to get their message out, a way for their message to be heard. So, some people use social media as a platform. Some people could use a television show like this or some kind of publication. People might hand out flyers as their platform. There's lots of give speeches all around. There's lots of ways that you could have a platform, but it's the way that you're going to get your message out to others so that you are better understood and heard. I want you to go back through and read this article one more time and then follow up with our Padlet question. Have a great day, boys and girls.